Kolkata, a city of industry, heritage and resilience. From the shipyards along the Hooghly to the textile mills that once defined its skyline. This city has always been built by the strength of its workers. In the midst of this legacy, Udyogi was founded with a singular vision to protect the very hands that drive progress. Founded to bring world-class protective equipment to India, Udyogi has spent over 4 decades shaping the nation's safety standards. Today, every thread we weave carries that promise forward. From carefully sourced raw materials and always opting for high-quality virgin yarn to cutting-edge knitting technology, our journey begins with the perfect blend of strength and flexibility. At Udyogi, we don't just craft safety, we engineer trust, knit by knit, yarn by yarn. With modern elastics fusion technology, every glove is designed for optimal flexibility, automatically integrated during knitting or manually reinforced through the sophisticated overlocking technique. Once the knitting is completed, the gloves undergo a meticulous process of shaping, trimming and refining to achieve the perfect form. The high-grade material choice defines performance, allowing us to customize the process with each variety. Crafted in compliance with industry standards and tailored for specific applications, our gloves provide the ideal blend of safety, comfort and durability. Udyogi, backed by their years of manufacturing experience, has developed technologies that combine comfort, performance and cleanliness and incorporate them within all our hand and arm protection products. For us, quality is not a checkpoint. It's a commitment undergoing precise adjustments for ultimate durability. Our facilities ensure seamless efficiency, but before they leave, every glove must pass the ultimate test. Our in-house lab conducts rigorous tests, superseding EN standards. With over 8,000 plus circle time abrasion testing, followed by cut, puncture and tear resistance tests to guarantee unmatched performance. With complete customization options and a strong production capacity. Once each product has been meticulously tested by our experts, we move on to packaging and dispatch, ensure on-time delivery. At Udyogi, we don't just produce PPEs, we craft confidence. We manufacture protection. We engineer safety. Udyogi, life is precious.